time, gay marriage was illegal, but that didn't stop Madonna from having her two brides on stage for the 2003 VMAs. Christina Aguilera and Britney Spears, no less. For many in the gay community, this was a huge deal.
Did this make me gay? While it was supposed to be this like big tabloid moment, I think it actually did mean a lot to people. There were no like lesbian icons other than, you know, like Ellen and like Rosie O'Donnell.
And no doubt it was a big deal for Britney and Christina, who were performing with and kissing their icon.
It's freaking Madonna, man.
Both women grew up idolizing Madonna.
This is seriously something I've dreamt about since I was a little girl.
Kiss Madonna. I mean, anybody kisses Madonna, it creates some hype.
In Britney's recent memoir, she said that Madonna, who she references 18 times throughout the book, was her childhood icon, who became her mentor after Justin Timberlake publicly accused her of cheating on him. Meanwhile, Christina has said that Madonna's albums, along with her documentary Truth or Dare, were a huge inspiration. But not everyone was a fan of this tantalizing trio's, as the New York Post puts it, pulse, pounding, booty, bouncing. The New York Post, having interviewed those sitting in the front row during the performance, helpfully confirmed that there definitely was tongue. And conservative pockets of America, along with even a few famous women, took issue.
Hasn't anyone ever seen two girls kiss before?
Stevie Nicks called it the most obnoxious moment in television history. She also said that Madonna was too old to be kissing 22-year-olds. Bette Midler said it was irresponsible, while the Washington Post said it smacked of desperation. This was of course back in the day when the public could still be shocked. We were yet to see Lady Gaga showing up to the VMAs in a raw meat dress, or Miley Cyrus doing this. At the time, the producers knew it would be a big moment, so deliberately started the show a few minutes late. And during the dress rehearsal, Madonna ordered everyone out of the theatre so that no one would leak the details. The kiss has been widely reported and parodied, once by Kylie Jenner, and notably by drag queen Derek Barry, with Madonna herself.
No, we're not making out, I did that already.
Although sadly, no one ever seems to dress up as Christina. If there was anything truly wrong with this iconic moment, it was probably the treatment that Christina received.
I didn't even remember she was in it.
MTV didn't actually air Christina kissing Madonna. Instead, they did an instant pan towards Britney's ex, Justin Timberlake's blank face, the moment after her and Madonna locked lips.
Justice for Christina.
They cut away to get Justin's reaction. They were exes, but still it was just like a cheap shot.
Back then, cheap shots were everywhere. The era was rife with controversy. In fact, having Britney and Christina on stage together was a controversy in itself. There was alleged conflict between the pair since Christina had just finished touring with Britney's ex. They also both had plenty of alleged enemies among the crowd. Britney had Justin Timberlake and Avril Lavigne, while Christina had Eminem. All of these people's reactions in the crowd were duly captured, although personally my favourite reaction was this one. But yes, Justin's face won the drama contest. It's completely understandable that Christina was upset. She shared second-hand saliva with her alleged enemy, and for what? To be parred by MTV. According to Rolling Stone, her team actually tried to have more of her kiss edited into the footage for future viewers. Christina was treated like a footnote. She wasn't even the first person in mind for this role. MTV asked J-Lo first, but she was busy. However, you can't deny that her powerful live vocals helped make the performance. So, it was Britney and Madonna who took center stage. Britney went on to produce a single with the Queen of Pop, as rumours began stirring of something romantic between them. Although both women are gay icons, Madonna is the only one to come out as bisexual, and it would appear that her and Brit were always just friends. Back in 2003, accounts of which pop diva really pushed for the kiss were varied. According to the VMA's producers, the kiss was Madonna's idea, although Madonna claimed that it was Britney's idea to open her mouth.
You know lemon, you make lemonade. If someone comes at you with their lips slightly parted, you have to kiss them.
Of course, by the time the performance was over, the whole of conservative America's mouth was wide open too.